Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be introducing my app TreeDer. This is my entry for Jawaharlal Nehru National Science, Mathematics and Environment exhibition. So the contents that we'll be covering up today are purpose behind creating the app, features that come in the app, technical aspects and the conclusion. Starting with an introduction, we are all nowadays engaged in our smart devices, not caring about the nature. TreeDer gives you an overview of a very specific part of a nature. So, I am Manit Gupta. I study in class 9 of Doon Public School, and this is my entry for Jawaharlal Nehru National Science, Mathematics and Environment exhibition. Mov- Moving on, as a rule, software systems do not work well until they have been used and repeatedly have failed in real applications. A well said quote by Dave Parnas. Moving on, the first topic for today is purpose. So there were many purposes creating this app. The first being that it integrates both our smart devices and the nature around us. The second purpose being that it is a great tool for people who are looking to study the nature around them. And the third being handy app for the general public to study and learn. Moving on, the total summary of these three purposes comes down to one thing: understanding nature from the comfort zone of our devices. Fallen leaves on the ground are golden song of immortal creativity. A very, very well said quote by Amit Ray. Moving on, the features. The first feature being the comparison of image. This app can compare any image, whether it is an image of an healthy plant or diseased plant. This Moving on, the third feature is multilinguistic support. It basically means that an app is able to provide an immersive experience in any language that the user wants. TreeDer provides linguistic support for different countries. And unlike other apps, TreeDer provides this feature with only one app layout. Moving on, the fourth feature is cross-platform support. It basically means that an app is able to provide an alluring experience in any type of device that a user wants. TreeDer provides cross-platform support for different devices, and unlike other apps, TreeDer provides this feature with only one app layout. Moving on to technical aspects. The first one being front-end designing and layout. Every app design requires CSS. React. React is an awesome framework for building apps in a dynamic mode. So we'll be using React Native for mobile and React JS for desktop. HTML, well, HTML is required for the desktop applications. Moving on to the backend API. TreeDer will have Python API built into the backend for AI image processing. It will be built using Flask, a microfiber Python framework. Moving on to the database. To recognize plants in a 3D manner, there has to be a massive DB that will be fulfilled by MongoDB. Conclusion. The SWOT analysis of TreeDer being strength, it helps study nature. Weaknesses does increase the use of smart devices. Opportunities study playfully. Threats none. Moving on your screens now you can see the layout for desktop software. Moving on your screens now you can see the layout for tablet app. Moving on, now you can see on your screens the layout for mobile app. So this was it from my side today. Hope you enjoyed my video and hope you liked my app. Thank you.